G'day gang. The last time we spoke we came to the conclusion that our injectors were restricted and we need to get them out and clean them up. So I'm going to take the injectors out now and it's a matter of taking some bits and pieces off. Remember this bit. Where's the other allocates? Okay, so it's not a big deal. Like, I know there's a lot of people that are not fuel injected people. It probably scares them a little bit because you know, it goes along with a bit of electronic magic and witchcraft, but it's not really a big deal. You see lots of people having to track down problems and electronic issues, but it's really not such a massive thing. And you can clean these yourself a little bit, although you can't do a volume test and spray pattern. Well, you can see spray patterns, but I might even try and just back flush them a little bit maybe before we clean them up. Send them away to get cleaned or what. Get that. Drop the washer. Anyway, I thought I'm going to take the throttle body off at the same time and clean it all up. It's probably a good idea that I did, because that's not very pretty in there at all. So that's cool. I'll clean him up. PCB, I'll give that a clean up as well. It probably doesn't, well, it's not rattling, so it's, you know, that won't hurt it. Now pretty much all I have is undo the 8 injector wires, the 2 earths, the 2 mounting bolts either side, the hose and the hose for the return over there off the regulator, and we'll have them out. And I should probably have cleaned down here with some air, blown some air down in there, but I can't get to the compressor while the car's in the in the garage. So yeah, we'll get that out and get them out and see what we can see. So with the injectors out, the rail out, I guess all we can see here, it looks like I might have allowed a leak here at some point. Anywhere else? Yeah, maybe around that end too. Oh, we did remember, oh yes, remember we did have the leaking seals here, so that might have been what that was. So we'll slide these out and just have a look what's going on in. Can't really see too much in the tip, but we'll pull a couple out and we'll note down which cylinder they come out of. Well, they're all out. Now you can't see much obviously, but what I'm going to intend to do is to first back flush these. I'm going to clean them up pretty decent. Then I'm going to attempt to back flush them, triggering the injector pulse with just battery on, battery on off a couple of times, and see if we can push any shit out of it. Yeah, see what happens. So here's my plan. That will fit nicely up the bum of that. I'll put a zippy tie around that. Prior to that, I will drill a hole in here and I will stick in use the brand of your choice, carburetor cleaner, and we'll hook some wires up to here. I'm going to search around and see if I've got a Bosch plug somewhere I can just plug into it and have the wires come off. And power it up, spray it and see what comes out of it. And we'll catch the crap. And yeah, we'll see what comes out of it. And then for the other end, I'll have this. And this fella will go up over this bloke. We'll be able to flush it and push it through the correct way. But I want to get what crap's up in here first. Yeah. But I've got to hunt around for a plug for that, so I can do that. I could put gator clips. Maybe I'll go and get some. It's a bit late in the day to go and get any now. I don't have any. I think maybe what I might do is clean up the fuel rail instead. Bit of good old-fashioned degreaser. Bit of wire wool. Let's go. Anyway. So I'll let that drip dry. And attack this, I reckon. Oh. So all I'm going to do is just take some carburetor cleaner. It doesn't matter what sort, they're all made of the same shit. And I'm going to spray it all over it. Open the give it some of that. Just like this, I suppose. Good idea. Works a treat. I'll come back when I've got it all cleaned up, eh? Well, there's no doubt that looks better, eh? Yep. Ready to stick back on. Oh, there's a bit of shmoo in there. Hang on a second. Don't know what that is. We better get that out. Might be going off my brush or something. That's heaps better. Heaps better. There we go. Come on. A bit of shit there. Okay. Yep, that's cool. That's ready to go back on. So I know it's filthy in the manifold, but I have plans to acquire another inlet manifold, and what I intend to do is to lose all these overhangs and all these brackets and things like that, and cut them off so they are actually just runners that you can see. And I'm going to want to paint it a wrinkle black, just for something different. So for now, manifold will go back on. I mean the throttle body go back on this one. We'll leave that manifold where it is. and yeah, do as much as we can at the moment. So I'll just take the PCB out of this. Hopefully we don't break anything. Come apart alright. Good. I just don't want to break things if I don't have to. I think we should clean up the PCB valve. Anyway, while we're here, come on, bucket. Oh, out you come. There we go. No breakages, cool. Yeah, a little rattle, but look inside him. He needs a good clean. I'll give these a bit of a rinse out as well. So I've got some acetone over there. I'm just going to let them sit in there for, I don't know, a couple of hours or whatever, and let him soak for a bit. So I've about got the PCB and all that stuff clean, but this is the link. It comes from here to here, and that is absolutely just chockers. Sorry, it's just full of muck. So I'm going to have to dig that out, and all this stuff's going to result in something positive. That's better. Grab it out with a drill bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. I'll put the PCB back on it. And there we go. Perfect. And so I'm not fond of oversized tails on the clamp, so I found another one in over there on the shelf. I'll whack him on. We'll put him on the car. That looks better. Yeah. We'll whack him on. Pretty simple. A bit of light over here. That pokes into here. There's a little key. That's got to go. Looks like I might have screwed myself there with the position of the clamp, eh? Oh well, I'll turn them around. Try again. That slides into here. Maybe I'll need two hands, eh? Yeah, that'll do me. Yeah. So until I get a something to hook up some wires, we'll have a rest for a bit and come back when I've got something sorted for that. Oh. Check you later. Have a good one. Stay safe.